Unlocking the Secrets of Beachfront Property, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and dreamy topic that you've probably heard in movies, seen in advertisements, or dreamed about when planning your ideal vacation: beachfront property. We'll explore what this phrase means, why it's desirable, and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of beachfront property together. Beachfront property refers to land that directly borders a beach. This means there is no other property between it and the water's edge. It's a type of real estate that is highly sought after for its stunning views, immediate access to the beach, and often, a higher value compared to other properties. When someone says they own a beachfront property, it means they can step out of their door and be on the sand, facing the ocean or sea. Why do people dream of owning or staying in beachfront property? The appeal lies in several key factors. Scenic views. Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of waves and a breathtaking view of the sunrise over the ocean. Beachfront properties offer unmatched natural beauty. Direct beach access. Having the beach right at your doorstep is a luxury. It means you can easily go for a swim, sunbathe, or enjoy beach activities without having to travel. Investment value. Because of their desirable location, beachfront properties often have a high investment value. They are in limited supply and high demand, making them potentially profitable investments. Lifestyle and health. Living close to the beach promotes a relaxed lifestyle and offers health benefits, such as fresh air and opportunities for physical activity. Now that you know what beachfront property is and why it's so appealing, let's look at how you can use this phrase in conversations. 1. Describing vacation plans. We're renting a beachfront property in Hawaii for our summer vacation. I can't wait to wake up to the ocean every day. 2. Talking about dreams. My dream is to one day own a beachfront property where I can retire and enjoy the sea. 3. Discussing real estate. Beachfront properties are a great investment, but they're also more expensive due to their location and views. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and appeal of beachfront property. It's a phrase that evokes dreams of relaxation, luxury, and beautiful natural surroundings. Whether you're talking about travel plans, discussing investments in real estate, or simply dreaming about your future, knowing about beachfront property can add an interesting layer to your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.